starting with my 2019 Grom. Everybody already knows what a Grom is, so pretty much here's my Grom. Has some nice parts on it, like this K factory exhaust, full titanium, over racing rear sets, clip-on conversion, flush turn signals with running lights, and the rear turn signals replaced as well. The Yoshimura fender eliminator, and a hidden little intake by, I forgot the brand. Also a DHM ECU flash. The craziest modification on the bike is this rat fink valve cap. Next up in the collection is my Honda RVF 400 1995. This bike came standard with a single-sided swing arm, Nissan front calipers, and Showa front suspension. The only thing aftermarket is this technical sports exhaust, which is very correct for the bike, and this Taiga carbon overlay for the tachometer. This bike has some really cool NACA duct air vent, little tubes that go into the air box here. Revs to 14,500 RPM. Other notable things are these cool Fox headlights, nice sleek mirrors, and nice looking wheels and rotors. And of course the livery, which is just probably the best part of the bike. (2017) Super Duke R Generation 2 comes standard with Brembo calipers, WP front and rear suspension. This bike has a Aero cat delete, Rottweiler evap delete in stage 1, RNG fender eliminator, KTM power part seat and rear tail fairing, Brembo master cylinder, Evotech brake lever guard, and carbon rear hugger. Now here we have my Ducati 1098S 2008. Being an S model, it comes equipped with everything you'd expect, like Öhlins Marchesini wheels. Also has an Öhlins steering damper, beautiful forks and triple. The Marchesini wheels look absolutely great. Only thing aftermarket on this bike is a Termi setup, twin cans, and a Ducati race ECU. These bikes also came with really nice projector headlights, carbon fiber front fender, hydraulic clutch. This bike is also notorious for being one of the last Ducati superbikes with zero nannies, has no TC, no wheelie control, just nothing, not even ABS, and a lot of torque going to that rear wheel. So you definitely don't want to be an idiot on it. Not a easy bike to ride for sure. This is my Honda CBR 1000RR 2013 Repsol edition. The 2013 Repsol year is probably the rarest to see in the US, and this one is VIN number 5. On this bike I have the Yoshimura cat delete system. 2012 and up had the Showa front suspension and the Showa rear shock. Also installed is a Yoshimura fender eliminator, Power Commander 5, and Speedo healer. Here's my 2004 NSR 50R with extremely high quality Repsol paint. The US only had these in 2004 and never in a street legal variant like in Japan. It also has an aftermarket exhaust and a uni filter. These came with a really good Showa rear shock and adjustable front suspension. And here are my Battle Factory stands, imported from Japan. Here I've got my 2021 MT09. Really great street bike and quite docile in the more chill riding modes. One of the best quick shifters I've experienced is on this bike, up and down, very smooth, really quick, and works at all RPMs pretty much. Nice TFT for the 2021 year and up. Has these little ASB levers. Yamaha's new spin forged wheel looks quite good. Cool blue finish as well. And pretty much the full catalog of drop protection on this bike. I like the taillight on this bike, quite cool looking. And I also have the TST fender eliminator right here. Quite a weird exhaust design. Looks cool though. Exits out the bottom on both sides. On a pedestrian bridge, I've parked my 2016 FC07. It has a Yoshimura full exhaust. Öhlins rear shock. Öhlins front fork spring set. Moto brake lines. Yoshimura fender eliminator, and somebody bumped into my bike while I was parked and broke my turn signal, so I gotta get a new one. Well-met tech bar and mirrors. Now time to look at my scooters. First we have a 1987 Honda Aero 50, also known as the Tact in Japan. With all the original stickers. And no rust. This is my 2020 Yamaha Zuma. Has a cool projector headlight. It has the factory Yamaha accessory rear rack with a crappy rack on top of it. Hidden away in storage is my 1980 FA50. It's in very good condition, barely used, ever. It only has 36 miles on the odometer. It has a MLM exhaust and a vintage blue plate with 83 sticker reg. The seat is perfect. The fender's never even seen dirt. And the spoke rims are just awesome on these. It does run as well, but it's been sitting for some time. Now onto the cars. Here we got my 2022 Veloster N. Has adjustable dampers and an ELSD. Comes with blue seat belts and bucket seats with N logo lighting. Next is my 2017 STI. is mostly stock except for a Subaru short shifter, the premium shift knob, the OEM rain guards, a nameless axle back. So for the final vehicle, we have my 95 Miata. For aftermarket, I have 15x8 Koenig decagram wheels, Brainstorm headlights, Racing Beat intake, Racing Beat tubular front sway bar with 949 racing end links, Kane Flex Z, Racing Beat rear style bar, ISR catback, Super Miata rear sway bar, and 949 end links in the rear as well.